Hey everybody, and welcome to Talk Daily. My name is Eddie, and today we're going to talk about an important article brought to us from Car and Driver by this article by Miss Laura Sky Brown. This article regarding the 26,000 Hyundai Sedan SUVs recall over windshield that could detach. I am very sure that Hyundai is doing the utmost in their ability to send out recalls via emails, um, text messages, mail, whatnot. But I just want to bring this to your attention. I'll have a link for this article in the description below. Also included is the recall by the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration. Again, this is for North America. I don't know what is implication of this for other countries, but you have to check on what area you live in to regarding this the recall. And I have the link for this. So basically, what's going on? It's Hyundai has announced it's recalling 26,413 2020 Sonata and Elantra sedan and 2020 to 2021 Sonata Santa Fe SUVs to fix a windshield problem. Improper bonding of the windshield because of faulty clear coat paint means that the windshield could detach in a crash. No accident or injuries have yet been reported as a result, and owners of affected vehicle will be notified to bring their vehicles for the recall starting February 25th. So this is an ongoing, as I mentioned, expected by February 25th to get a ticket so you can go to your dealership and get that repair. I'm pretty sure it'll be at no cost to you. So what's going on? They're saying the windshield may be improperly attached and could come loose in a crash. A recall report filed by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) explained that the use of non-conforming flow additive mixed into the clear coat paint from the supplier Axalta may have caused inadequate adhesion of the front windshield to the vehicle structure. According to the report, drivers of affected Hyundai may notice wind noise or water leaking from the windshield. All right, if you are noticing that, you obviously notice something wrong with your vehicle. Um, I I'm kind of really not really clear about the non-conforming additive into the clear coat. A clear coat is something you apply in to protect whatever final finish tarnished from UV and ultraviolet light and from the elements. In this case, it's being used to seal the winch. I do know that they glue them. The glass is actually glued to the vehicle. I'm not sure. Maybe the glue. I don't know why it's saying the clear coat. If you read this carefully, it says the use of non-conforming flow additive mixed into clear coat paint from the supply. Again, paint. Is the non-conforming? Non-conforming can mean a lot of things. Anyway, so the recall involves 8256 2021 Elantra, 8561 2020 and 2021 Santa Fe, and 9596 2020 Sonata vehicle assembled beginning. I think that's related to the VIN number. If you look at National Transportation Highway Report, I will have the link in it. It's regarding your VIN, so it has to do with your VIN number. See VIN beginning, ending, and that gives you the production rate. So when you open your vehicle, you'll find your VIN number and you'll find the production date. And if you're not sure, take your vehicle to the dealership. That will let you know if you have the time to do so. Hyundai will notify owners of affected vehicle on February 25th and will remove and install the windshield at no charge. In the meantime, owners can check the anti-recall website to see if their vehicle is one of those being recalled. This is honestly something that happens to a lot of manufacturers. It's manufacturing a vehicle, as you could say. I talked about Axalta, this company. If you never heard of it, well, it's one of the suppliers that supplies a lot of raw materials that are being used in the production. DuPont, one of the companies. There's a lot of companies out there that actually provide a raw material, and sometimes mistakes could happen. It is what it is. It just, but they're doing a way better job. All these manufacturers doing a way better job. There's no, there were if I remember a long time ago, there was a recall for the airbags. If you remember the Takata airbag, there was like, it wouldn't, the airbag wouldn't explode properly, if there's a term for that, but there was like shards of metal in it, and is supposed to detonate in a controlled fashion and have no debris, but the Takata would have some debris would get in your face and injure you, and severely you could die from that. But this situation, I'm glad Hyundai has caught it early, and they're repairing it. And again, this is North America. If you're watching this somewhere else in the world, it might not affect you, but it just gives you an idea of the scope of manufacturing, how one small little factor in the car, it could be even a lug nut that is not up to spec, will cause a recall. And the fact to see these cars on the road today is just a testimony of all these great engineers and all the great assembly workers, all these people doing a job properly for you to have a vehicle that's safe on the road. So my hat's off for everybody working at Hyundai for catching that mistake. And I'm happy that there's no accident or injuries has been reported, and hopefully everybody gets their car fixed so they can get back on the road and enjoy their car and go on with their lives. All right, everybody, this has been a very small segment. I just want to bring this to your attention. My name is Eddie. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.